MYCHWAY Christmas events unwrap the joys of savings and gifts. Ho ho ho! Season's greeting, everyone! Welcome to MYCHWAY, your go-to destination for all things beauty and wellness. I'm Justina, and today we have a sleigh full of exciting news for you. It's time to unwrap the joys of savings and gifts with MYCHWAY events, so stay tuned. Section 1: Christmas Events Mottos. This is the season of giving, and we start in early. From the 1st to the 3rd of December, dive into the festive spirit with our Christmas events mottos. And guess what? Your purchase comes with a little extra sprinkle of joy, a limited Christmas gift. Head over to our online shop at mychway.online. So let the festivals begin. But wait, there's more. We've lined up a special giveaway activity just for you. Starting from the 6th to 3rd of December, here's your chance to snag an early bird gift pack. It is as easy as pie. Follow our account, MYCHWAY Online, and join your Gleam Lucky Draw. 10 ultrasonic facial cleansing devices are up for grabs. Will you be one of the lucky winners? Ready to slay this holiday season? Well, MYCHWAY has you covered from hat to mistletoe. But before we wrap things up, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also ring the notification bell. You don't want to miss out on any of our festive surprises. And there you have it, MYCHWAY's Christmas events, where the magic of saving meets the joy of giving. Remember, the festivities are only a click away, so visit mychway.online right now. Wishing you all a holly jolly Christmas. See you next time. Stay fabulous.